Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training, and today I've got a little Mitsubishi flatbed truck here. It's a Mitsubishi Fighter, it's a 2007 model, and the first thing I'm going to show you is the 3 points of contact to enter the vehicle. So first of all, the three points of contact, it's designed so that we don't lose balance when we're climbing into a vehicle or climbing out of a vehicle. So the first thing I need to do is, when I approach the vehicle, identify where the handles are. We've got one just here, and we've got another one over here. So what I'm going to do is now hop into the vehicle. So first of all, I've got my hand here on the left hand on this handle here. It's nice and secure. I've got my foot on the first step and my right hand onto the handle, and I pull myself up and I'm into the vehicle safely. When I exit the vehicle, I just lean forward in the seat. I grab hold of this handle with my right hand. I ease down and make sure my foot is secure on the step. I grab the left handle and I get down. And I've got 1, 2, 3 points at any point in time. And that is how you do the 3 points of contact.